What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to continue from where we left off yesterday. We actually made two videos, surprisingly, or not surprisingly, depending on who you ask here, where we were tracking pretty much early in the morning. We're talking like 8, 9 o'clock in the morning here. I made a video. It said, hurry, no time left, as there was a beautiful, beautiful symmetrical triangle pretty much coming to an end. And inevitably, it did indeed break out. We said right here, we're tracking 4-hour and hourly charts, technical indicators filling in this gap. It was time to make a decision here. We pretty much predicted a break to the upside, and then flash forward, look at that. Just as quickly as we called it, just a couple of hours after, we actually saw the rally to the upside, the massive break to the upside here. Now, it's not, an explosion that everybody wants to see here, but it is indeed a break to the upside, and that's really all we need to just buy in and make some profitable trades here. Now, look at this. We're going to be looking at Solana in today's episode, rallying all the way up, retesting 172 beautifully. We're going to be looking at XRP, which is pretty much right around the level that I figured we'd consolidate. Just like in the past year, we do break up at times and then we kind of consolidate in. And that's kind of the same exact thing that we're probably going to see here, and we'll go from there. But we're also going to be looking at Ethereum, which broke bullish outside its 4-hour or hourly chart, whatever you want to look at here. And then Bitcoin also broke out of its 2-hour or hourly chart as well to the upside here. Whether it's going to last is definitely up for debate. We'll try to figure that out right now. It is forming some new indicator here again, but we are looking at the 2-hour chart, so it's not really something that I would recommend paying that close attention to. And we'll also look at the S&P, which is continuing its free fall to the downside here every day. Now we've been correcting here. We've fallen, it's nothing like too crazy, but in total probably like 2.8, almost like maybe a little more, 3% max here to the downside on the S&P. We had this beautiful uptrend, closed below it here, and this is starting that free fall decline. Whether it stands here and then rallies up, that's the goal. There's a very good chance that this is going to be some sort of support right here, and now that we retested that, there's a chance we could rally off, or if we break through that, we're going to be most definitely pulling probably down to the 5170 point here, right where that moving average is. So either way, I'm excited to go over it with you. With that being said, smash that like button though, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is doing a double rewards bonus here. For those that sign up with the link down in the description, make your first deposit. You can get $50 in free cryptocurrency on top of a 31-day VIP rate with extremely low trading fees and a lot of other goodies. More information is in the link, the first link in the top of the description, and I will be going over other ways to get some free cryptocurrency later on in today's episode. Anywho, diving into today's video, you can see on the current coin market cap here, markets look pretty good. Trading at 61 on the Fear and Greed Index. We pretty much said that when we were at 30, being extremely in the fear part of the market here, we knew it was pretty much at some point or another going to see a major spike and a major volume injection, and that's exactly what happened. Literally within the week, we exploded, and now we've practically doubled on that Fear and Greed Index. You can see here, every crypto is up double digits for the week. Bitcoin up 13.5%, a little more actually for Bitcoin on the 7-day chart. Ethereum up 11%. BNB 11.4%, Solana up 20%, XRP up 13 and almost 14%, Doge up 60. I mean, every cryptocurrency is just exploding, and it's very exciting to see that happen here. But for the most part, we're probably going to cap off right now because it was yesterday was Friday, and now we have Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning that we opened back up. So it's going to be a couple of days of market closure for the stock market. We could see that same relevance happen within XRP and a lot of these other major altcoins here, as they typically coincide with that stock market. You could see though on XRP though, it's very similar in the past. I mean, everything is very repetitive here. Consistently, we've had this kind of descending fractal here. You can see drawn out just like this, lower, high, lower, low pattern here. And you can see we always seem to hit this top resistance in blue, trend above it, and inevitably consolidate down. And I don't think it's any surprise. We always break above it on the daily charts here. It's no surprise. We do the same exact thing right now, but then typically we consolidate in, and then there's a good chance we could continue that descent to the downside here. So that major break that we saw, which was on the floor that rallied us up, is over. And now we're going to see probably some consolidation. So until we get some new technical indicators, which could be forming soon, something like that, we're going to have to sit tight. You can see in the past here, there was another indicator forming here, and then that broke us down. we're looking for a similar pattern to happen right now. So I don't know. It's pretty much hit or miss right now. I'm not trading XRP. We made plenty of profit off this rally to the upside here, but for the time being, expect consolidation followed by correction to the downside. When it does happen, and all these other cryptocurrencies, you can take full advantage of it on BYDFI. Like I said, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Reason being is they have a welcome rewards bonus and a demo trading account, which not many exchanges offer here. Over 2K in free cryptocurrencies, new user advance. Ooh, what did I do? New user advance exclusive limited task. Tons of opportunities here for you to take advantage of and get your free cryptocurrency when you sign up for the exchange here. Look, literally leaving feedback, you can earn quite a bit in free crypto. So make sure to check it out down in the description below here. They even have a demo trading account, gives you over 50K or 50K to be exact in free cryptocurrency in demo money to trade around with, get familiar with the platform, learn how to trade, practice your skills, get familiar with BYDFI. Then you can click right here and switch it over to the real trading account and use that bonus money to earn free cryptocurrency. You might as well take advantage of it. It literally doesn't cost a cent. So very cool. Make sure to check that out. Anywho, moving forward from XRP and BYDFI here, looking at Solana, I do believe we are going to consolidate. It seems though that like while the stock market dips, all the other cryptocurrencies are doing the opposite here. But I do think we could be seeing a bit of correction soon within these cryptos. Like we did break out very nicely here. Then again, it is possible for us to head up even higher. It's just too early to tell. There's no indicator forming here. We need to let the markets consolidate. And typically after these major rallies, you can see within Solana, we do come down. It's a consistency here, just like this. So it's very possible this could also see some sort of correction to the downside here, whether this is the resistance, this one is, or even this one. I don't know. It's just we've been going straight up. It's hard to tell. It's too early. You had that opportunity to get in right at this symmetrical triangle. If I jump to the 4-hour, you can see we were tracking this beautiful symmetrical triangle technical indicator here. Once we closed above that, we bought in and longed it. And since then, we've pretty much kept a tight stop loss. There's a chance with this green band of resistance, if we reject off that here, we're going to be patient, wait to see what happens here. And if we correct lower, we're going to hit our stop loss. But nevertheless, we'll wait for a new indicator to form before we buy back in. These indicators have already been shown, revealed. We knew it with XRP2. Descending fractal, confirmed buying right here, rally to the upside. Same thing with Solana. Same thing with Ethereum, jumping on Ethereum to like the 2-hour chart here. Beautiful flagpole. Beautiful flag itself, confirmed breakout right here, rally up. Now we're consolidating down. So again, I don't know where we're going to be moving from here. We need these technical indicators to consolidate a bit more, form new technical indicators before we take advantage of these opportunities here. So just let the markets pan out for a little bit, especially over this weekend moving forward. Lastly, same exact thing happened with Bitcoin. We're consolidating right now. This is not something I want to track on like the hourly or 2-hour charts here. It's pretty much flatlined out right now. If we zoom in, maybe we can get some sort of, fractal or something here, but it's so early. You can see typically though with this sideways movement here, it usually does end in some sort of volume burst or dump. So keep your eyes on that, but we need to see a bigger formation. Like look at the previous formation on Bitcoin's 2-hour, major flag pull up. This consolidative pattern down, we were getting constricted, top resistance in the floor. We have not broken through the floor. We have not broken through the resistance. We had a decision to be made right here at the end. We did to the upside, major pop, stop loss up. Probably some of you probably got stopped off, but you were able to capitalize off a lot of volume and profit here. So let these markets consolidate a bit longer before you do anything. Same thing with the S&P. I just think we're going to continue to descend. Actually, it's two options. Either we reverse here or we dip lower. We'll probably find out next week. But anywho, I can't say I'm not surprised if we continue to dump. Just be ready for continued lower movements. Be ready to buy in and dollar cost average. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.